Hello, teacher. My name is Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo. I am of course 124. The activity is for the English course, and I inviting travel itinerary by prepared for Mario Bautista. The country is Colombia. Town is Cajicá. Cajicá is a small town located north of the capital of Colombia, Bogotá, in the department of Cundinamarca. It is the third most popular town in the province. There are two options for the trip. The one is the option of the 4 days or 3 nights in the luxury hotel in the town. And two is 3 days and 2 nights in a fantastic agreement. Some of the activity you can do here. There are many places to go, the restaurants, malls, but there is a special place called Stony Fence. It is known for its traditional craft like culinary wooden rugs. You can visit the railway station, classified as architectural heritage of the nation. There are many ways to go around the town, from the local bus, the taxis, and people also travel a lot by bicycle. Among other activities, you can do the following: horse riding, hiking, ride a bike, visit the farms to learn about the milk production, and mentioned above, there are traditional restaurants and glampings. You can choose from a variety of meals options like ajiaco, cocido santafereño, main dish, baby beef traditional from the region, special criolla hand. The cost of the stay for the first option is 450,000 and the cost of the second option is 300,000. The cost of the stay for the first option is very well for whole people. It's interesting program the weekend. The This is my activity in this course. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.